Make sure not to chinani on your bed. You don't want to sleep on the bed and the mattress just drop a ground boof.
And on we'll go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm not look here now. I'm not kind of watch the video and not subscribe, you know why not do my that? Don't do that. Subscribe, support your girl. If you're old, welcome back. I do appreciate you because you're a loyal supporter. Yep. So today I'm dropping a nice little short video for you guys out there who are thinking about renting somewhere, or after, you know, probably after quarantine you decide to, alright, listen, I want somewhere new because the house I'm living now, if something like this happen again, I don't know how I'm going to survive in here because I don't find out what they think about that. But I'm there to give you a little tips for one to think about before you know, like literally decide to say, alright, I'm not gonna move out, or I'm not gonna move from the people in my yard, or something, anything like that. So I'm here to give 5 tips to know before renting, right? So get your popcorn, get your soda, and stay till the end of this video. Alright, so the first thing you want to think about, right, when you're renting somewhere is that you're going to actually, so for instance, you get everything, you have your environment that you're going to, you have in mind that you want to go rent, and all of them, there's something there, right? So you decide, alright, I'm going to rent an apartment in Kingston, or I'm gonna rent one in Mandeville, Fenton, you know, Trelawney, anywhere. So you decide, say, alright, this is where I'm going to rent somewhere. After you decide where you're going to go now, right, you go say, alright, this is a place, you get one place, right? You'll say, do the check to say, okay, alright, the place, the environment that the place is in, if the environment is good. So you're going to do the background check and make sure the environment good. You know, get no thief for come breaking at your place. You know, whoever is, say for instance, an apartment place. All the people them who live beside you or your neighbors, them not have no bad record. Alright, them are all thief. Next thing you're there work, you're at school, you're somewhere, you wanna get a phone call. Hello, who is this?
I'm here to report that your house has been broken into.
Like what? Before I rent the place, them they tell me a good environment. Nope. Don't fall in that situation. Do not put yourself in that situation, okay? Alright. So after you do all of that now, you hear say the environment good, and you say, alright, this is where you're going to go and rent. Do look a background check on your landlord, right? If you have a like, you know, and every landlord is very close with everybody. So what if you have a landlord, you live on the property and the landlord live there? Do a background check. If you know somebody who did live there, ask them. Yeah, you know, take them little information there. You don't want, at the end of the day, you go to the place and you live there 2 months in living there, you hear say you have to go evacuate the property. Why? You pay all your rent. Why? You know, all of them look something there. You don't want the landlord catch up in another little mix up or anything like that, and then here say you fall in it and you have to evacuate yourself from it, and you don't know where you're going to live after that. So make sure you do background check on all of that, and all of them look something there. Make sure good landlord. And what if it's a thing where you're renting the place and you don't have them personal landlord there? You have to pay payments through bank and then something there. Still there look at checks. Checks can't be too much. If I take one where you can go up on Google and type in the name and you say big favor, yeah, still do check. Some look at something must be there where you think you need to know about it. You understand? Yeah. Number 3 now, what you need to know is the condition of the place that you're going to live in. So better go somewhere where a time like this you gonna come along again and you have to say, boy, I don't like how the couch feel. The bed make the back hot me. No, don't bother with them somewhere there. Don't bother with it. Don't bother say the wall of the place stay bad. No bother with it. if you know say you don't like it, nobody invest your money in it. Not do it because you'll get very uncomfortable and you'll get miserable and you're not gonna want to stay there. You understand? Nobody waste the money them way there. Nobody with it. You understand me? Yeah. So make sure the condition of the house is intact and all of that, and you know, living condition is good, up to date. Fourth thing you want to think about now is where you're going to get your furniture. Where you're going to get your furniture. So if you're renting a place like me, fully furnished, make sure your furniture them intact. Make sure not chiching on them down your bed. You don't want to sleep on the bed and the mattress just drop a ground boof. Nope, I'm not talking about experience. I just give you little tips and little something when me hear about and when me know about. You understand? Because I know you probably are saying, you know, say experience that no friend, I'm not rent no place where chichi and them out my bed. So yeah, make sure your furniture intact, and if you're going to purchase furniture, make sure you purchase furniture that are it's quality over it's quality over quantity, right? But because it costs for a good amount of money, I say you want to have the bed where next year you're not going to think about say, you know, some you do a new bed, a new mattress, a new stove, no bother with that. Don't even bother with that. That don't make no sense. You do all of them look something there and then you have to go buy back a next piece of furniture next year down the line when you're done could have spent the one big money. So if you have to save and wait a little bit, wait. Me would encourage anybody if you go check out the bed, down a court side, down a singer, where at the end of the day you're going to pay 2 times the amount where you could have owned 2 beds. Don't do it. If you don't have a trust, don't do it. If you can save and wait, but make sure your furniture is them intact. If you're renting a furnished place, you want to make sure your furniture is them intact because you want to be comfortable, right? You want a comfort, you're in a place of yours and all of that. Only thing, if I would give a little tip to say, if you're renting a place that is furnished and the toilet seat still there where somebody just move out, did dip on it, buy one new toilet seat. Now put your bottom on the same old toilet seat. I don't know why people think it okay to go on a toilet seat where you don't know what did that happen on it before you even come here. Don't do it. No. Buy a new toilet seat. You can work with everything else, and if you come and a friend left a sheet for you, dash for the sheet, get a new sheet. Don't sleep on the sheet with them left on the bed. No, do it. Get your own stuff. Make sure you have your curtain them, make sure you have your sheet them, make sure you have your stuff them to keep your place intact, and all of them look something there. You understand me? Yeah, all of them look something there. Alright, the 5th tip that I have is make sure say you can afford it. Why you go rent somewhere and you know say next month you gonna wonder where the rent come from? What make? Why you gonna put yourself in the crisis them? You pay rent this month, right? Cause you know your rent, you have to pay your rent and you have to pay the deposit. So why you gonna rent this month? Rent pay good. You know say you pay your rent every second of 1 month, right? Why when next month I come, you have to go decide say you have to go say, you know what? I probably have to go move out, you know. Or you have to go to your landlord and say,
Pa, you want to go to the extension now?
I'm not saying nothing wrong with begging extension for your rent, you know, because if you can't afford it, in a day, the time or little complication happen, that probably will be happening to a lot of persons right now, where time look roughish and people can understand and go beg a little time. Nothing wrong with that. But no, but I'm going to left your mother yard, or your father yard, or your cousin or your auntie yard, and then at the end of the day, you can't pay rent. What you do that for? You want to pop start from me? Me? Don't do that. So, make sure you plan in advance for it. Don't rush it. If you know you cannot afford it right now, wait a little time until you can afford it. No bother go rush it and then at the end of the day, you have to go left it 2 months down the line. It don't make no sense. You understand me? And if you can bother to tell your parents you're Tande, me I tell you, Tande, you save a whole heap of money. Me I tell you the truth. Right? You're going to save a whole heap of money. If you can bother to Tande. But I'm just saying, make sure you have these stuff in mind. Think about finances. Those stuff are important. You don't want to rush a situation that you are not equipped and ready for, right? And you know, all of them look something there. So those are my 5 tips to take note of when you're going to rent somewhere. I hope my little tips helped you, and I love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, because I'm dropping videos back to back to back to back. So I love you guys, and before I go, I want to do a little shout out. I'm shouting out Davia. Thank you for always commenting on like 95% of my video them to say you're first to watch. Thank you so much, baby girl. I do appreciate you, and I hope you stay to watch all of my video them until I decide to I can't buy YouTube no more, or until my proper day them, you know. So shouting out to you guys. If you want a shout out, make sure you comment down below on my videos when I drop them, and I'll see you guys in another video. I love you. Bye.